Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming identity and device details so the coverage lookup is accurate. Sign into your Apple ID on the device you want to check. This ties your purchase and service history together. Once signed in, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac because those menus expose your serial number quickly. If you prefer, go to Apple.com and sign in a browser. Make sure your device shows the correct serial. This prevents pulling the wrong coverage record. Next, locate the serial number and access Apple's coverage tools so you can see plan details. On iPhone, use Settings General About. On Mac, use System Settings About. Once you have the serial, open Support. Apple.com or the Check Coverage page and enter the serial if not auto-filled. If you signed in with Apple ID, navigate to your devices or My Support. That shows Apple Care Plus status, expiration date, and what's covered. This step reveals whether you have active protection. Finally, confirm the plan name, expiry date, and coverage limits so you know exactly what's covered and how many incidents remain. If information seems wrong, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Sign out and back in, refresh the page, or try a different browser or device. If coverage still doesn't appear or the serial number is unrecognized, contact Apple support with your serial and proof of purchase. They can reconcile account records and correct coverage status for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.